YTF will march for door-to-door campaign based on the accord from the coming 10th of March. Following a conference meeting was held by YTF at Khorang IS Conference Hall on Saturday. State YTF President EM Runel Debarma and others were present in the meeting. On the last second of March, an accord was signed between state and central government in the presence of Home Minister Amit Shah. This agreement is signed in the presence of State Chief Minister Dr. Manik Shah, former Chief Minister MP Biplab Kumar Deb, Minister Shukla Charan Nowatia, Minister Vikas Debarma, Tripura Motha Supreme Maharaja Pradhat Kishore Debarma and other leaders of Tripura Motha. After the accord was signed, finally on 7th of March, Tripura Motha sat on a government with BJP. Two MLAs of Tripura Motha were given a role as cabinet minister and minister of the state. But since Tripura Motha sat on a government with BJP, CPIM, Congress and other parties allegedly made a comments on Tripura Motha. Likewise, half of the Tripura people population also condemned on Tripura Motha. Likewise, to avoid such criticism, YTF has taken an initiative to organize door-to-door campaign. YTF will march for door-to-door campaign based on the accord from the coming 10th of March. Following a conference meeting was held by YTF at Khorang IS Conference Hall on Saturday. After the meeting, State YTF President EM Runel Debarma announced this by holding a press meet.
Block presidents, district presidents, centrally other the active warriors of when Senora as a cop sublator. Ulano and media recently Chini Habuba Gama Hambayaparo, the Bini Bisinti, the historical, the accord signing money deliver. Chini Tanzania Pan Nibisingti, Bubara Pan Nibisingti, J. O. Accord signing money, Bono, St. John the YTF Siklaro, Pipeline Hambayaparo, Tai Hambayaparo, Chini Home Minister Amit Shah, Tai St. YTF Block Tini O meeting Nibisingti. Decision naga khana 10 तारीख में सीमित 5 दिन YTF ब्लॉक चौथा ब्लॉक डिस्ट्रिक्ट से डोर टू डोर खाइने बुबागरानो हम बायफरे जो हिस्टोरिकल अकॉर्ड मनो हम बायफरे बुबागरा जैसी तीव्र सदापनी मानते शोकते रो मान नथान कमनी जे 60% जे सामु मनी accord signing money omno hambaya phare sinjoto area wo sin door to door khaine tai jara sin jeo accord signing money no bujia ko kaam kai sin taku kuku jeti prasada pari puro paksa kaham ko bujia ko omno te ko kaham kai sin sukruburi sanan bagi YTF no nogonogo thanai nogonogo thani sin bubagrang yaw kokno message no sin birlane tai median bisingya saramu suno je CPIM ro Baksa party ro je sini historical accord bebre bo siawu je box he kamu sini o accord signing money 8-9 page to je final page je last page almost in summary ke किसी सके फुनुजा का अमलो फुनुजा में कुछ दाती ना implementing ना सिनी सामुंगों को टाउन से शुरू हो कारण कि अमलो ते 40% से implementation मार करें ना फाइनेंस हालो अमबगिना सिनी कैबिनेट को सिनी मिनिस्टर हक्का ताई दिल्ली को सिनी बॉक्स हेमलेंजो सिनी दिल्ली को सिनी जोतो थांचानी खाने सिनी होना ताई बुबागरा leadership bisingte sin man lai sokte ro sin jemai job to kisu faine salo ban pai omna joto lu rumo koine thancha ke tongdi thancha na sini pan thancha ni bisingte bubagra ni bisingte no sin man lai sokte sin faine salo ban lai tai thancha na sini pan tai sin siklaro o 5 din actively kai jara kok buji arano buji rinai kaham kai sing kok pil lainai buba arano hamaya phanai tai directly sine home minister India ne je accord signing to bobo directly saka governing India mistake theke thane salrogo je Tripura sane mante sokte rogi yang ebong bobo assurance video this is saka directly accord to signing ka sini amo financial implementation ne tai ang joto lukumo koinai simple ni sini buba arano bishas khai tomani sim bishas khema tomnai je lai khanayo IPF je mistake khemani or mistaking la karon ki bubagra leadership alada bubagra quality na alada karon ki bubagra sin Tripura sado kon lukumo sagati sarau sunjaro tisaibe tomo এবং সিনমান দেশপদের সত্তর বছর হয়েছে মায়ের কমনির যত কিছু মার্গি ওর বুয়ার কিছু বাবা সামুলাই ফেলে সালাম সে বিশ্বাস করে তুমি ধৈর্য রমনি কারণ কি বুবা সিনি হামরে নাইও ব সিনি বাকি চাই নিয়ে ওই কষ্ট খাই কমনি না সে মনো কুন্টি ফান মারনাই এবং ফাইনে সালো সিনমান দেশপদের মামেলে বুবা
On this day's meeting, State's YTF President EM Runel Debarma, Convener EM Sohel Debarma and others were present. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.